What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Jasmy, which has taken a little step back. As you can see, it's dropped quite a bit in the last 24 hours. It has dropped just about 8% in value and currently trading at 0.006873 cents. So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Should you wait for it to drop further, or should you just hold on to it? Of course, it's not a good time to sell it because it's dropped in value, but yeah, we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what is the best option and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can Jasmy go, and is it a crypto worth investing into, as there has been a lot of hype around Jasmy in January 2023, so last month, but right now it has taken a little bit of a break, shall I call it. So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is down 3% in the last 24 hours, which is not looking too good. And Jasmy is also down. In the last hour itself, it managed to drop half a percentage. Nothing major. Over the last day, 8%. Over the week is up 20%, guys, with major peaks here on the 5th of February. The major peak, as you can see, going from this value to this value here. And yeah, it's been going quite well all up until the last 24 to 48 hours, where it started to drop in value. And over the month, it is still 65% up. So yeah, can't complain, guys. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see here the trading volume has dropped by 58% in the last 24 hours, which is a major drop, and it's currently at $115 million in trading volume, which is still a huge amount of money. However, the only reason why the trading volume has dropped is because the value of Jasmy has also dropped over the last 2 days. So we're seeing less and less people trading the crypto. Not many people are going to sell it because it's dropped, and not many people are going to buy it because it hasn't dropped too much. So most people are just holding on to it right now, and hence why the trading volume has gone down quite heavily by 58% in the last 24 hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and we've also got the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which at the moment is here in purple, currently valuing it at 0.005925 in purple, and it is trading at a slightly higher value here in green at 0.006888, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer as usual, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see the blue and the orange line are both looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning it is not looking too good over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Jasmy to drop a little bit further than what is worth at the moment. Again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting red candles over the next 12 to 14 hours. Of course not. We are going to have hours where it's likely to peak a little bit, have a little green candle, little pump before it drops back down in value. But yeah, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. What I'm expecting is for it to drop to about 0.0065 to 0.0064. Somewhere in here is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart. Still not looking too great. We've got the blue and the orange line still looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected over the coming days. So let's say over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, I'm expecting Jasmy to go for another minimal drop in value is what I would say. But again, just like the 30-minute chart, it doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. We are going to expect green days, red days. It's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more, again, on the negative side. But doesn't mean it's going to be a major drop or a huge price drop or anything like that. It is going to be minimal, potentially dropping down to about 0.006 is what I'm expecting by mid next week. Again, no major decreases are expected, but again, I'm going to have to emphasize minimal decreases in value. Now, moving on to the daily chart, have taken quite of a U-turn here. The orange line definitely is going in a positive direction right now, and the blue line is slightly looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish. So guys, an overall fluctuation in value is what we should expect from Jasmy over the coming weeks, next 6 to 8 weeks, late March, early April. However, guys, Jasmy, I'm expecting an overall increase in value. We should be trading above the 1 cent target by early April is what my predictions are on this crypto. Again, this could change according to how the crypto market performs with, major crashes, bull runs, price pumps, or anything like that. But as of right now, I'm expecting Jasmy to be hitting the 1 cent target by mid to late March, and then early April we should be heading upwards to about 0.012 to 0.014 in mid to late April as well, and hopefully go even higher than that throughout the next couple of months and so on. But yeah, you guys have asked me for regular updates on Jasmy, which I will be doing and I have been doing as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far it's looking quite good for Jasmy over the long term. However, for the short term, over the next couple of hours and days, it is not looking too great, as I am expecting it to drop a little bit more, even though overall it has been moving in a positive direction since the start of the year. It has taken little dips in between, and yeah, there's more dips coming over the coming days before it hopefully pumps back up in value, heading upwards to the 1 cent target by mid to late March 2023. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Jasmy, guys. When are you guys expecting Jasmy to hit 1 cent? Comment down below. Is it in the next couple of hours, next few days, months, weeks, whatever it is? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen a lot of comments around this crypto, both positive and negative. But yeah, for me, Jasmy is bullish over the long run anyway. I've invested into the crypto, I'm just holding on to at the moment. I haven't bought more, I haven't sold any of it. I'm a long-term investor, so I'm still holding on to it. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Jasmy, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. But before I end the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, because at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe. And also make sure to like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.